Jingujor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Haduh kipulit kejelah Dr. L.R. Bishnoi haringkat DIG Eastern Range Davis R. Marak hakas nithok ding kilalet jingok yaki Jingthep vote hasor bat kapsor ban peny yo don gi jingduna hakaliang kerukam pahara bat ban tim laki pulit pahara bat kinong penyat election ya kenduk jing Eiei neem. Habakren cikilat pathai kubor Dr. Bishnoi ulaong. Bahado Mynta empat don setia kanu ke jingjia kanu ke Jingthep vote bat ke Jingthep vote jong kipat ba kadang Ïaid bet Ïaid Ryntih. Nalor kata ulaong baki pulit ki kelempat yo Jingujor nangnu laka don neem ke Jingthut ha ke songsuk songsan.
बाकी कौन कौन ऐसे करो अच्छा एक्सपायर हो अच्छा यू आर टू जनी आपका स्वादी ये जो क्या प्रयास है आपनो नए गुरु पूर्व पर Bible
she took from here.
From here only. So they have helped you. So in koi there you were not to knee operation. और किमान वय किमान बोलो 82 years. तो बहुत बार वोट कर लिया आपने पुलिस जो पूरा रिटायर्ड है
She was head of department.
हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट कौन डिपार्टमेंट है हिस्ट्री तो हिस्टोरियन हो या
Yes. Any information she can give you.
So presiding officer, no, everything is smooth. अच्छा किमान total voter ऐसे यहाँ पे? How many total voters?
Total voters 945.
945. और इत्यादि के पोल किमान हो? 180. Okay, तो roughly 22-23%. तो भी कोई problem हुआ नहीं आपको, हैं? चलो भाल ठीक है से. And polling agents, you are enjoying your duty. You are doing first time. And you are 4 times. So you are experienced. Okay. So teach him also because he is your first timer. Okay. चलो ठीक है से आपने. See, I along with DIG Eastern Range, basically we are visiting the various polling stations in urban as well as the countryside just to see the security arrangement and to inquire whether any problems is faced either by the police personnel on duty or by the civil staff deployed for the election duty. Just it's a kind of visit to supervise the security arrangement and also to interact with the people to understand if they have any issues related with security or any other issue so that we can address it. So that is the purpose.
So has there been any complaints so far?
So far we have not received any complaint. We have visited 3-4 polling stations. Everywhere the polling is going on very smoothly and the polling officials, they are very satisfied and happy with the arrangements. So far no problem and no complaint received.
What are the inputs across the state?
The inputs mean that throughout the state security is tightened and in all the polling stations the security is deployed including the vulnerable and critical polling stations. So 40 companies all are deployed for the election duties. Other than that some are doing mobile patrolling, some are doing foot patrolling just to build confidence in the minds of people so that they can exercise their vote freely without any fear.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, we are visiting these different polling stations with DGP. Like DGP sir has just mentioned that we are visiting these polling stations to see if the security arrangements are in place and whether the voters are having any problems or not. And so far we have found that there's no problem so far. We have had no reports of any problems so far. And voting is going on peacefully. And we are confident that this elections, this polling will be a peaceful and peaceful elections, and hope that no untoward incident will happen during these elections.
Have you identified any particular area where expected of any kind of violence or something?
No, we have not identified any such area, but we have. I mean, when we say we have identified, what's already identified in the form of vulnerable and critical polling stations, and in all those vulnerable and critical polling stations, we have adequate security deployment.
Thank you, sir.